the third dish for Christmas. 3. Bûche de Noël Yule Log Introduction, a traditional French dessert. This sponge cake roll is designed to look like a wood log, symbolizing the Yule log burned during winter festivities. Ingredients preparation: eggs for separated yolks and whites. All-purpose flour, 60 grams, cocoa powder, 20 grams, granulated sugar, 100 grams for the cake. 200 grams for the buttercream, unsalted butter, 250 grams for the buttercream. Dark chocolate, 100 grams melted for the buttercream, water, seasoning, vanilla extract for the cake, salt a pinch. Step-by-step instructions: cake. Whip egg whites with sugar until stiff peaks form. Gently fold in egg yolks, sieve flour, and cocoa powder. Pour the mixture into a thin rectangular pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. Buttercream, cream butter with sugar, then gradually add melted chocolate and vanilla, whipping until smooth. Rolling, spread a thin layer of buttercream over the baked cake sheet, then carefully roll it up tightly. Decorating, frost the entire exterior with the remaining chocolate buttercream. Use a fork to create bark-like texture lines. Cut a diagonal piece from the end and position it offset to resemble a branch. Presentation and serving: dust with powdered sugar to look like snow. Decorate with meringue mushrooms, fresh mint leaves, or cranberries. Notes: roll the cake while it is still slightly warm to prevent cracking. Ensure the butter is at room temperature for a smooth buttercream. Please see the fourth dish next.